guys, we are Nathan Hannah.
And in this video, we are doing our first night hike up a mountain at Cadair Idris, hoping to catch a sunrise, but do we get one? So we're on to our next adventure. We're doing our first mountain climb in the night, which is a bucket list for us, isn't it?
It is, and it's 10:30 now, and we've come here straight after work, haven't we? So we're absolutely shattered. We've got about 5 hours sleep until we need to get up.
Yeah, so we'll pick you up at 4 AM. See you in the morning. Just after 4 AM now, and we've just set out from the car park. We're going to aim for the Minford track, I think, aren't we?
Yeah, aiming for the Minford track, and I'm more awake now than I am last night.
Yeah, and you can see a few stars, a bit of cloud, so yeah, very exciting.
It is, let's go. First slug spotted just after 4 AM. Didn't think I'd be saying that anytime soon.
Overcooked it a bit, I think. Gone for the base layer, t-shirt, fleece, down jacket. Thinking it would be absolutely freezing, but I've got a delay now.
After what, 10 minutes?
About that.
I'm sweating.
Are you finding it?
I'm out of breath. So we're just at that point now where it forks left to go onto the Minford track. And I don't know about you, but I'm absolutely sweating.
Roasting.
Sure, it'll be a different story when we get to the top. All of the layers will come back out.
Yeah.
But this rucksack is so heavy because I've got 3 litres of water in here, the camping cooker, camping mugs and all our breakfast stuff.
We've literally got the kitchen sink in there, we'll show you later. So we're just over an hour in, we've done about 300 metres altitude from the car park. It's a lot different coming at night, obviously, but you can't see the path in front of it. Yeah, you can only see about 5 metres, which is pretty cool. But in the distance, I've just spotted some sheep.
Let's hope they're sheep.
Yeah, I hope they're sheep. They're just like 2 green dots, like staring at us.
That doesn't sound good. Hello, sheeps.
Nordic gear back on.
Nordic gear back on. The wind's picked up now, hasn't it?
It has. Gone in there.
Oh, there it is. Little shrew. Oh.
I thought it would feel really eerie coming up here, being the only people, but it feels alright, doesn't it? But stupidly, it feels quite normal.
Yeah. Don't speak too soon now.
That's so weird. I literally just says we're up here on our own, and in the far distance there's another light. We're not alone.
Let's hope they're nice.
Nice people. Hello! No, nothing.
Nothing back. You just come off path a little bit for me, it should be more over that way.
Only 10 metres off route. That's the thing, it's quite difficult because you can't see the splits, and then you don't know where you've gone wrong until you've gone a bit wrong, and you can see massively on the map that you're out the way, because you just literally cannot see where you're going.
So we've been out just over 2 hours now, and we've done 2.3 miles.
Yeah, and we're just at 600 metres of altitude now, so is that about 260 to 70 left?
Yeah.
Cool.
That other hiker that we saw as well, he was well nice, wasn't he? He was absolutely steaming ahead, wasn't he?
Yeah man, he's gone. He's gone, I can't even see the light now.
Gone, mate.
Right, let's go, let's smash it.
I just heard a foot go into a puddle. Are you okay?
So these are supposed to last 6 hours, and I thought I charged them, but conveniently when there's a sheer drop down there, battery's gone, mate.
It's a good job I've got mine. Phone torches, GoPro torches.
Yeah, it's a good old Samsung, eh?
Yeah, Nath had his torch's brightness on the full one. I think mine's not as bright as what Nathan's was, so hopefully mine will last out. I suppose a good thing if you're afraid of heights and you look down, you can't really see.
Well, this is just tremendous, isn't it?
It is, it really is. Like, and we have done a lot of research into this. We haven't just rocked up and just thought, oh, we'll do Cadair Idris. We've been checking the weather all week, making sure that it's perfect conditions. We've watched endless YouTube videos that we can find on people hiking Cadair Idris at sunrise. So, yeah.
Game changer, isn't it,
It
babe?
really is, yeah. I can't believe we're actually doing this.
How mad are we?
Not that mad. I have also got 6 top layers on right now, including a down jacket and this coat as well. Fleece lined trousers, 2 pairs of socks, my good old walking shoes that I prefer to my walking boots. Yeah, so we're all set, aren't we, Nate?
Yeah, onwards and upwards.
That's it.
Starting to get a little bit disorientating now because the main sort of path's gone and we're on this rocky, almost a scramble section. But all trails is keeping us heading in the right direction to the summit. Thank God for technology. We're talking of technology, I'd have done better with a candle. There she is. You right there, Anne?
Struggling, not gonna lie. Getting there though.
Yeah, it's the last little bit. Slow and steady wins the race. It's quite tough this last little bit, but plodding on. Nearly there. Literally just there behind us. Poor Han. She's feeling a bit worn out and cramping up, but she's soldiering on. Look at her. It's taking your kitchen sink from me.
It is, having a drink and some breakfast.
Made it to the summit.
We made it!
And look at
Oh
that.
my gosh! The clouds moving!
Yeah, there's clouds coming for like the last like 100 metres of altitude, and we was like,
Wow!
this is going to be a repeat of last time when we get no view. And literally, just as I started filming, oh my God.
All that struggling is gone away now. We're at the I can't even speak. Now we're at the top. All that struggle has gone away.
Come on, let's get some breakfast. What's in the bag then?
The reason why it's so heavy, porridge pots.
Breakfast. The kitchen sink.
Sick me. Gas. New mugs, coffee, spoons.
Cheers.
Cheers. Whoa.
So while we've been having our breakfast, the view outside has come like HD. Look at that.
Shake it. She's trying to use these hand warmers. Just shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Working. Do you know how to do it? Do you know how to do it? Drop it in the comments if you do. I don't know how to do it. It's getting warm. It is to shake it. That's magic.
Oh, there's a quick and easy way to keep your hands warm.
When I started shaking this, I thought, yeah, for £1 from Go Outdoors, it's not going to work. But surprisingly,
I think the trick is, because you're shaking it, yeah, blood's flowing.
no, it is actually touching it.
So we've just come down a bit. The summit is just there behind us, but look at this view here. You can see everywhere where we've been, all along that ridge there, and then the lake's behind us. It's incredible, isn't it?
So lovely, and because the cloud keeps moving as well, it's like, oh, the clouds, oh, look at the amazing view, oh, the clouds coming, oh, look at that amazing view.
Yeah, that's what I love about the mountains, like the cloud, how fast it moves, it's just so dramatic, isn't it? Look at that dramatic landscape behind us.
I know, and the sun, there's just the sun is blinding, isn't it? It's so
It is.
beautiful and gorgeous. Like, this
My
is
wife.
Charmer. This has made it all worth it. At one point I did actually think, you know, we're going to have to turn around because it's too dangerous, you know, when we got lost.
Yeah.
And then we sort of made our way back onto the red line on the All Trails map. And yeah, I'm so glad that we did this.
Yeah, this makes it worth it.
It does, yeah.
So we're just on the way down now. Just really enjoying it, aren't we?
Yeah, it's so nice, isn't it? Like just on a weekend, just making the most of it and doing what we love the most. And there is for sure going to be more sunrise hikes as well, because we're training for something big next year for somebody's 30th birthday.
Yeah, so keep your eyes peeled for that. It's going to be huge, fingers crossed. But yeah, it's been a bit of a learning curve, hasn't it, this
Yeah,
one?
definitely, because it's our first ever sunrise hike, isn't it? So we've never hiked up a mountain in the dark before.
First thing is some spare lights. And what was it you said you wanted to get?
Oh, a little Bunsen burner. Yeah, I want a little Bunsen burner, you know, them little ones. Yeah, more compact camping cooker. I call it a Bunsen burner, but yeah, I want one of them.
And one day, hopefully, we'll tent on one of the mountains.
Hopefully, yeah, we are going to attempt a wild camp, aren't we, in a tent.
Yeah, after watching Dave outdoors, so cheers, buddy.
Yeah, thanks, Dave. Yeah, before we did this, we watched Dave's little video, didn't we? Where
camping by the lake.
Yeah, camping by the lake. Dave, it looked amazing, honestly. So you've inspired us to do a wild camp, but it just wasn't meant to be this time, was it? We thought we'd start off with the hike, and then yeah, we'll try and brave a wild camp in a tent.
Our tent is what you'd call a family tent.
Yeah.
While we're babbling on and on and on, I'd just like to say thank you to everyone who continues to watch our videos, support our channel, follow our journey. You know, it is great to hear from you guys and indirectly keep up, if you know what I mean. But if you're new around here and you like this video, then hit like, send us a comment. Inspires us to keep producing these
It does, because like, this isn't our job, is it? Like, we don't do this as a job, like this is our hobby, so it's really nice that we get such positive feedback. We're just walking down and it's cleared up now, and I can't believe where we actually walked. Like, I really can't. We walked that in the dark, literally up that in the dark.
If you see that little rock there, well, big rock, that's where we got lost.
Yeah, Nath wanted to climb over that. I was like, no way. So we made our way back to the red line.
I'm not going to lie, that was one tough hike, but what an absolutely fantastic experience. I know we didn't get the orange glow and the sun coming up, but just going up there at night, it's just absolutely fantastic. I'm so glad we've done that.
Let me take you through my 6 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a woolly hat and a snud.
Thank you.